Yo, what's going on? It's Snoopy here. I got a new system. It's not done yet, but it's gonna be badass. I just wanted to show you my car now. I got some 10,000K HIDs. I got the blue skis posted. Dope as hell. Someone hit me. Yeah, got in an accident. So that looks like shit, but don't worry. I'm slamming my car, putting some Schmidt TH lines and flaring the fenders this summer, so it's all good. I'm waiting on my amp. I got my batteries in, but they're not in yet. That's the jump off right there. 15-inch TC Sounds / Audio Pulse LMS Ultra. 6,000 RMS. It's only being powered by about 1,400 RMS right now by my girlfriend's Hyphonics BXI 1606. So only about 1,400 RMS. Stock electrical right now. I'm putting my 2 back cap ecstatics in. My Sundown 3500's in the mail, so I'll show you what this bad boy can do. I'm gonna play Hypnotized by Jeezy. Now it's being underpowered, so I can't crank it for a long period of time. That's all I really want to play for right now, actually. So as you can see, that stuff's a low-end beast. It's a fucking low-end beast. I don't want to play it, it's distorting, so I can't bump it extremely loud for long periods of time. I don't want to hurt my beautiful sub. So my Sundown 3500 will be here next week. Times that by about 4. That's what the flex will be on my car. So stay tuned in next week, and you'll really be in for a treat.